Where did the sound of two black holes colliding come from? A long time ago, in the distant reaches of the universe, two black holes each about 30 times as massive as our Sun were locked in orbit and spiraling in towards each other. The only visible traces of the spinning black holes would have been the way their gravitational fields warped the light of distant stars. Even as they collided and merged, there wasn't a flicker of light to be seen. The real and very violent action in the system was in the form of gravitational waves, ripples in the very fabric of space-time. These waves were constantly draining energy from the black hole orbits, leading to their ultimate collision and merger to form a single black hole. At that instant, the power of the gravitational waves was 50 times greater than that of all the stars in the universe combined. That pulse of gravitational waves, lasting only a fraction of a second, expanded through the universe, passing unimpeded through countless galaxies. About 1.3 billion years later, it reached Earth. Gravitational waves alternately stretch and squeeze space itself and everything they pass through, but the effect is minuscule. Their effect on Earth here has been vastly exaggerated to help visualize something that is otherwise invisible on this scale. To detect them and directly measure their properties, scientists built LIGO, the most sensitive measuring device ever made. LIGO uses a device known as an interferometer to measure the tiny displacements in space. LIGO is so sensitive it can measure changes in distance as tiny as 1,000 to the diameter of a proton, and this tiny measurement made by LIGO was the final step in a journey that began 1.3 billion years ago in the distant universe when two black holes collided. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel